Myntri ki kampen roisor Myntri Sniawbhalang Dhar mentakasngi uleh thu ikidikot ke ying dorbar thauan ke Meghalaya baka sorkar ke Donkam haduh arspa akar ke jaka ban pynlong jaka theh niut. Habajubat ikijingkali balabu udkot keliang Persya ubat George Bilingdo udkot jangka All India Trinamool Congress ubat Dhar uleh thu bakani kijing temu ban shim jaka theh niut kalong ke Kerdam Hariboy district.
Actually, for these projects, after having the public hearing on the 8th, yes, there is a few group who are opposite, and days after days, there is now the protest has gone up. So the final report has been away from the Deputy Commissioner of the Power District. But I would like to inform the House and the member. We from the government side, protecting the people of that area in particular is very, very important for the government. So therefore, any decision taken by the government, until and unless the people of that area is satisfied, we are not going to go against the wish of the people of that area. And therefore, about setting of the projects, everything has to be followed as per guideline. And that is the reason why I have stated that when everything is okay, and we'll be able to know where is the actual place. Yes, around approximately 200 acre plus minus, and if everything is in order, only then will be prepare the final plan. But to inform the House that we are very serious on this, so going against people, against the wills of people, we are not going to do that. So until unless everybody is on board, we are not going to go against the project in this area. So therefore, after receiving the final report from Deputy Commissioner, and currently as of now, so the government is under examining the matter for this project.